In this lecture, you will learn what a singleton pattern is and why we need it. A singleton pattern is an object creational pattern that allows our application to create one and only one instance of a particular class, no matter how many times that class is used in our application. For example, here we have a property reader class that can read the properties from a file, and it is used multiple times in our application by different classes. But we are going to create only one object of the property reader and not multiple, saving a lot of memory using the singleton pattern. So all the application classes will use the same property reader object to perform the property reading from a file. Another good example for singleton is a logger. Using loggers, we can log different types of information, errors, debugging information, and just general information from our application to a log file, so that developers can read that log file later on to see what is happening with our application. So a logger can be a singleton. The same logger object can be shared across our application classes. Another good example in the JDBC world, the Java database connectivity world, is the data source class in the JDBC API. The data source class is responsible for maintaining a connection pool and giving a connection from the pool to our application classes. We can have different classes in the application that need a database connection, but there will be only one instance of the data source. So a data source is also an example of a singleton. To summarize, a singleton pattern, using a singleton pattern, when we implement a singleton pattern in our application for a particular class, only one instance of that class can be created, and that will be shared across all the other application classes as required.